The way you talk to yourself is determining all of the results that you're getting in business and in your life. And why do we talk like negative self-talk to ourselves all the time? It's programmed, it's something we grew up with, and we're not consciously thinking about what we're saying to ourselves. And what is that going to yield in the long term in your life and in your business? You're not going to get where you want to go because that's all you keep saying to yourself are all of these negative things instead of reframing those thought processes. Trust me, I'm a culprit of this. I, even last week, was going through this like self-discovery, self-examination kind of phase over the last week, and looking at the things I say to myself all the time and really being present with what I'm speaking. No wonder I'm manifesting some stuff in my life because that's all I say and talk about. So if you were to actually take an analysis during the day, even for small snippets of time, and looking at what is it that you're having a conversation with yourself about, those thoughts that keep going through your mind and turning and turning and turning, what are you saying to yourself? And if you stop and take a look at that and then do a reframe on it, you'll be able to continue to keep shifting your thinking. A lot of people believe in affirmations, and I think that they're a great tool for utilizing, some good self-talk. But I really feel and believe that we need to start analyzing all of the things that we're saying to ourselves in the moments of time, especially in stress. When you're put up against a deadline, when you're put in a corner with challenges, that's where the real true nature comes in. Are you the person that's like, we're gonna win, we're gonna get out of it, no worries, let's get through this. I know this is not cool and it really sucks right now in the time that we're maneuvering through this, but we really need to kind of step in from a positive note and move through. A, you might be that kind of person. B, when challenges hit and stress hits, you might be, why me? This sucks. I can't believe this is happening. I'm stupid. This is shitty. All of those other mentalities. So there's these two dynamics, and you might even be a little bit of both. But taking a look at that and seeing what is it that you're creating in your life by speaking it out loud, and then start to reframe that. Because you will not get the results in your business and in your life if you are continuing to talk negative monkey mind self-talk to yourself all the time, because those are the results that you're bringing forth inside of your life, even though you may not know or consider or have thought about that it's you creating that life for yourself. And that's the biggest pill to swallow, is that responsibility that our life looks the way that it does because of the way that we're talking to ourselves, taking action, choices that we're making. And if you don't believe that, then that's totally up to you inside of your space. But I really feel and know and believe, and I've proven the model out in different directions for both sides in a negative and a positive avenue, that the second I shift my mindset back into the we got to get this figured out, we will get it figured out. And I can move through all that negative self-talk a lot faster by recognizing it, being present, and owning the fact that I've created this mess, chaos, challenge that I'm in right now currently. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does, because the second you start to shift that mentality for you, some great things are going to start to happen and things are going to start to align. Hope you guys are having a fabulous Monday. I'm wearing my Mind Over Matter t-shirt for a reason today. I'm about to hit up the gym because I said I would to myself, and I'm gonna go make that happen because I am making some choices to get other results that I want in my life. So have yourself a great day, and I hope you guys make those choices for you. See you soon.